Here we have the Dalgona Coffee and Earl Grey Latte with only few ingredients needed. Milk, coffee, sugar, a bowl and a whisk, or a bottle. Have 2 tablespoons of coffee, two tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Mix it up. Now pour the mixture into the bowl and whip the mixture until it gets thick and frothy. The consistency will be thicker the more you whip it, and it will look something like this. If you don't like it too thick, don't whip it too much. Now pour the milk to about 3/4 full. Add in that coffee mixture and look how thick it is. I actually have to use another spoon to help me scoop it out. Smoothen the top and there you go. Now you've got your own Dalgona coffee freshly made at home. You can also use a bottle to get the frothy mixture. This time round, you can only judge based on the color of the coffee, and it actually takes quite a bit of time. I stop at about this color just to see how the consistency is like. Not too bad. For Earl Grey Latte, you will need milk, 2 tea bags of Earl Grey, and honey. The tea into the pot and pour about 3/4 full of water. That's about 177 ml. Let it boil for a while before you turn it off and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Pour about the same amount of milk in the pot and let it boil. Add about 1 tablespoon of honey. And to make the latte foam, we'll need to use protein shake. Now remember to close the lid properly and very tightly, or else you will get something like this. But it's okay, we can always just wipe it off later. Voila! Our Earl Grey Latte is done. Remember, squeeze the best out of life.